Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily find your YouTube channel ID on your iPhone or Android device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up any web browser. Then go to m.youtube.com, and on that web page first you need to switch it to desktop version. On your iPhone, hit at that two characters icon and select Request Desktop Website. Then make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account. I did that before, and once you did that, just hit at your profile picture. Then select Settings, and next hit on Advanced Settings. And that shows you bunch of different information, including user ID and channel ID. You can zoom it if you want, and in order to copy your channel ID to the clipboard, you can just hit at copy. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my YouTube tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.